It is advertised as the ultimate hydration savior, a bottle that almost every skincare beginner buys first. The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 promises plump, dewy glass skin for a few dollars. But what if I told you that millions of people are using this serum in a way that actually sucks the moisture out of their skin cells, leaving their face tighter, drier, and more flaky than before? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are dissecting the real molecular science behind hyaluronic acid. We will cover how different molecular weights penetrate your skin, why climate completely changes how this serum works, the hidden role of vitamin B5, and the exact step-by-step rules to lock in maximum plumpness. Let's look at the science. To understand this serum, you first have to understand what a humectant is. Hyaluronic acid is a sugar molecule naturally produced by our bodies. It is famous because a single molecule can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. But here is where the formula gets clever. Raw hyaluronic acid molecules are usually too large to pass through your skin barrier. The ordinary combined low, medium, and high molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, along with a cross-polymer matrix, the large molecules sit on the surface to instantly smooth fine dryness lines. The medium molecules hydrate the outer barrier, and the low-weight molecules dive deeper into the epidermis to plump up your skin cell structure from within. Added to this is provitamin B5, also known as panthenol. Panthenol doesn't just hydrate, it actively soothes inflammation, reduces redness, and speeds up barrier repair. What actual dermatological benefits can you expect when you use this multi-depth serum correctly? The primary benefit is instant osmotic plumping. When hyaluronic acid draws moisture into the intercellular matrix, it fills out fine dehydration lines, especially around the eyes and forehead, giving you an immediate dewy glow. Second, it combats transepidermal water loss, TEWL. By pairing hyaluronic acid with vitamin B5, it reinforces the lipid bilayer, making it harder for natural water content to evaporate throughout the day. Third, it acts as a delivery booster. By hydrating the stratum corneum, it makes the skin more permeable, allowing your subsequent moisturizers and lipid creams to sink in more effectively. Now, let's address the massive trap that leads to severe skin dryness. Hyaluronic acid acts like a magnet for water. However, it does not care where that water comes from. If you apply this serum to dry skin in a low humidity or air-conditioned environment, there is no moisture in the air for the serum to grab. So, what does it do? It pulls water upward from the deeper layers of your own dermis. As that water evaporates into the dry air, your skin ends up far more dehydrated than before you applied it. This is why so many people feel a tight, uncomfortable, paper-like sensation after using it. Another common complaint is texture. Because of the high concentration and cross-polymer formula, applying too much or rubbing it too hard will cause it to ball up into annoying sticky flakes, a process known as pilling, making it impossible to wear smoothly under sunscreen or makeup. To turn this serum into a true hydration powerhouse, you must follow the golden rule of humectants. Rule number 1. Never apply this serum to a dry face. Always splash your face with water, a thermal spray, or apply it straight out of the shower while your skin is dripping damp. This gives the hyaluronic acid an abundant source of external water to bind to. Rule number 2. Seal it immediately. You must apply an occlusive or emollient moisturizer within 30 seconds of applying the serum, while your face is still slightly tacky. The moisturizer creates a physical seal over the hyaluronic acid, trapping that bound water inside your skin cells so it cannot evaporate. Use only 2 to 3 drops for your entire face and neck. Press it gently into the skin rather than aggressively rubbing it in to avoid pilling. What is our final verdict? The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 is an exceptional budget-friendly serum that delivers real, visible plumping and barrier relief, provided you respect the rules of chemistry. Apply it on damp skin, seal it with a solid moisturizer, and it will transform dull, tired skin into a dewy canvas. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice from a certified dermatologist. Did this serum make your skin super plump, or did it leave your face feeling tight and dry? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more scientific reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.